Alright guys, so I'm going to give you this worksheet today. It's an activity that you should be doing independently. But this top part I'm going to go through together. This is the front sheet, and on the back you're going to do this work on your own. So they're going to be two different things. If you look back at the notes that we took on this worksheet, this right here, the 0.4 times 0.02, this information is this exact same thing. So if you don't know what to do here, go back to this video and watch it again and look what I did there, because that's how I taught how to do this work right here. Now on the front here, the ones that we're going to do together, this is going to look a little different. So we're going to do this together. You're going to watch this video, okay? So we're going to try to find what is the product of the multiplication model shown below. So the same thing we've been talking about where we block everything out. What I want to do is go shade or block out the model. That's going to be my first step. Shade / block out the model. So what that looks like is I'm going to go find my hundreds. Where's that 1? Okay, 10 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oops, I went a little bit over. Okay. All right, so that is one whole block. So I'm going to put a 1 at the top. That's 1 plus whatever is left over here. Okay. So how many do I have here? I did 10, and that was equal to 1, but I don't have 10 here, so how many do I actually have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tenths. 6 out of 10, so it's 0.6 or 0.60, either way you want to write it. Now I'm going to color this in blue. Okay, so I'm showing you I have 6 groups going all the way down. Now, it really is only this much. This is the 10 blocks going down and 6 across. This right here is 60. This right here I colored, but you're going to see why in just a second. Okay, now that I have the top part done, this is equal to a total of 1.6, just so we're clear, 1.6. This going down is, again, it's 1. This pink in here going all the way down is equal to 1. And we're going to add whatever's left right here. We need to count. How many do we have? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that would be 4 tenths or 0.40 out of the 10. Now, I'm going to color up to here. All right, this right here is 10 across and 4 down. That is 4 tenths or 40 blocks. Okay, the same way we found 60 blocks over here, we got 40 blocks here. Now, if I was to keep going, see how it changes colors? That's why I kind of went all the way down on that other one. Because, you know, this is 40, this is 60, this is one whole. How much is this right here? We didn't account for that. So let's make sure that we block out and write down what each portion is. This is equal to 1. This is equal to 0.60, which is 60 blocks. This is equal to 0.40, which is 40 blocks. And this one right here is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 times 4 is 24. So 0.24. All right, number 2. The second step was we wrote, or you need to write the value of each block. That is what I just did. I wrote the value in each block. 1 whole, 6 tenths, 4 tenths, and 24 tenths. Okay? I'm sorry, 24 100ths. 24 hundredths. That's what I meant to say. I'm sorry. Now what we need to do is 3. That's our third step, is add the values up. Now we're adding the values up because I want to know how much is this without having to go and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, la 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 la. I don't want to have to count all that, so I'm going to add it up. I have 1, I have 0.40, 0.60, which if you do it in your head, 0.40 and 0.60 are 1 together. And then do 24. So we're going to add it all up. It's going to give me 4. It's going to give me 12. So that's 10, 11, 12, and plus 2. Drop my decimal right here. That gives me 2.24. Do you see that answer choice? You sure do. It's on D. Okay. So number 4 is going to be, we want to check. We're going to check with standard algorithm for a second. 1.4 times 1.6. Multiply those out, just like you do any other multiplication problem. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. Drop my 0 for my placeholder. 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 times 1 is 1. Add it up. 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Add my 1, 1, 2. I know I did that super fast, but this is just a check. And then I pull my my decimals over. That's 1 hop. 2 hop. I'm sorry, that's 1 and 1. 1 hop here. 1 hop here. Total is 2. 1, 2. And that is the check that says that is 2.24, and that's correct. Okay, that's all you had to do for that one. Now, again, the reason we added everything up is to find the area. What is all of this information? How many do we have? And we added them up after blocking it out, and that gives us our answer, or the area. Okay, and I will do number 2 on another video.